Hello. Now, some of you may know that I've been struggling with this Master Lock 410 for a while now. I did use it for my green belt, but I've been struggling to open it consistently until I saw a video by DMAC a few days ago. Now, he gives some great tips on how to get these open, and what I didn't realise was there's a standard pin in these, generally somewhere towards the back, 5 or 6, and then the rest are spools. So he suggests finding the standard pin. Seems obvious. Once you know, set that gives you a false set, and then it's hunt the spools. So let's have a go, see if I can get it on camera. So straight to the back. Yeah, I think I got the standard pin. Quite a lot of movement there on the tension bar. Really light tension, and I mean really light. Start back at the front. I've lost my false set, so I go back to the back. Oh, we're open. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so I use top of the keyway tension, very light tension. This is a 1.1 mil bar. If you take a look at it there, I had to sand it down a bit because I couldn't get a bar to fit perfectly, and I don't like bottom of the keyway tension. So top of the keyway tension, snug fit. Quite a deep hook. It's 5 mil hook actually. Straight to the back. Try and find the standard pin. Not found it yet. And the reason, yeah, not found that. Because what I'm doing, I'm looking at that seam, and I need to get enough movement on this bar to give me a decent size angle on that seam. So that's what I'm doing. So straight to the back. See if I can find it. Yeah, I've got some movement now on that back pin. Okay, see the gap, and go back to the front. Very light tension again, light pressure. Just work away through it. And the pin fall out, which is quite normal. Try again. Straight to the back. Got some movement on it. Back to the front. Make sure the tensioner bar's in. Light tension. And we're open. So that advice has been invaluable for me, and I need a bit more practice to get it absolutely consistent. We're not going to get it first time, every time, any of us. So that one I will keep on at Master Lock 410, LOTO, until I can take DMAC's advice fully on board and nail it every time.